Hey everybody, today I'm gonna try to fix this microwave door latch. Still works, but it doesn't start anymore because of this thing. It has to hook inside, and it broke off. It's supposed to be right here. I was gonna use. I just was gonna do a JB welded, but now it's a movable part, so I'm gonna have to replace the whole thing. Now you have to replace this whole latch. Otherwise it won't start. Even though the bottom latch hooks on there, but you can't power it up because of the thing. The switch is on top here. It has to hook down. So you're gonna have to replace this whole latch. So what I'm gonna do is remove this cover right here. This trim. Just take a screwdriver. There you go. Start popping already. And it should come up. There you go. Okay, it's off. And here's the latch that's broken. Right here. Or the camera. Ah, there you go. So to remove this thing, you pull it up. There you go, and there you go. It comes out. I'm gonna keep the spring in the safe area, so I won't lose it while I look for a replacement part. Okay, the parts finally came in, and there it is. I don't know if you can see the part number. Yeah, that's the part number. And it's a door key, and it was only it cost me it's not in the receipt. It's like $2 something. So I bought two, and $3.99 shipping. I think I bought two because I don't want to wait another week. It took a week to get here. I ordered on the 15th, and today is the 21st. It takes like 5 business days, not including the weekend, of course. Okay, now I'm gonna fix it. Yeah, I've been eating for the whole week. We've been eating fresh, healthy food. Yikes! Okay, the spring will go over here. Okay, but first we're going to put this in the bottom here. It's a little knot. It's in. Now, this one will face this way. So you're going to put the knot right there. Now it's hooked in. Now we got to put this. There's a hole over here and a hole up here. We're going to pull it up. Put that in there. Oh well, I messed up on the spring, see? It's long, it doesn't hold that much tension now. So I have to get a new spring at the hardware store. Maybe Osh. Alright, be back. working. There you go. The spring in the bottom. Now guide this on top here. There you go, it's in. Okay, I'm gonna test it now. Yeah, it works. Now just put the cover and we should be all done. There you go. Here goes snap. Nothing sticking up. Okay, the cover's back in. Now we're gonna close it. It works. I'll get one back up just in case it breaks again. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.